In last lecture, we discussed classification of phylum Echinodermata. There are two subphyla which is divided by phylum Echinodermata. First is the Elythrozoa and second is the Palmatozoa. So, Elythrozoa. What is Elythrozoa? Where contains stalk is absent. In Elythrozoa, stalk is absent. They are free living. Body is usually pentamerous, means contain 5 arms. Locomotory organs are tube feet, that is podia, helps for locomotion. Next, the anus is situated on the aboral side. Means at the oral side there is presence of mouth, and aboral side in which presence of anus. Then ambulacral system, water vascular system, does not participate in food gathering. Ambulacral system, which is also called water vascular system, does not participate in Elythrozoa, helps for food gathering. Next, it is classified into 4 classes. That Elythrozoa is classified into 4 classes: Asteroidea, Ophiuridea, Echinoidea and Holothuriidea. So, first, Asteroidea. The body is 5-sided or pentagonal in shape with 5 to 50 radiating arms and central disc. Body is 5-sided or pentagonal. 5-sided, that is why it is called as pentagonal in shape with 5 to 50 radiating arms and central disc. Next, oral and surfaces are quite distinct. Oral surface where contain mouth and aboral surface in which presence of anus is it, which are quite distinct. Aboral surface is directed upward. The anus is situated on the aboral side. The mouth and ambulacral grooves are situated on the oral surface. Mouth and ambulacral grooves, which is helps for water vascular system, we are present on the oral surface. Pedicellariae are present. What is the function of pedicellariae? Pedicellariae is nothing but the minute defensive organ, and which is helps for defense and where contain in large amount. Then respiration is by papillae. Respiration takes place through papillae. Then development includes Papinaria or Branchiolaria larva. And Asteroidea commonly called as sea stars or starfishes. Example, Astrophacton. Second class is the Ophiuridea. So the body is star shaped. Oral and aboral surfaces are quite distinct, same as like in Asteroidea. The anus and intestine is absent. In Ophiuridea, anus and intestine is absent. The ambulacral groove is absent. Then Pedicellariae also absent. Development includes Plutus or Ophioplatus larva, and here commonly called brittle stars. Example, Ophiothorax. Next, third class is the Echinoidea. The body is either oval or heart shaped. Body is either oval, means circular, oval likes, and heart shape or disc shape, means disc like. The body is enclosed in a shell or test which is composed of calcareous plates. Body enclosed in a shell or test which is known as calcareous plates, and calcareous made from calcium. The mouth is on oral side and anus is on aboral surface. Oral sides in which contain mouth and aboral surface in which anus. Next, the ambulacral grooves are absent. Here is also ambulacral grooves are absent. The larva is Echinoplutus larva and Pedicellariae stalk, commonly called sea urchins and sand dollars. Example, Echinus. Fourth class is the Holothuriidea. The body of Holothuriidea is bilaterally symmetrical and elongated in oral aboral axis. In this diagram, we shown that Holothuriidea, no arms, no spines, mouth and anus are at opposite sides. The body of Holothuriidea is elongated, means cylinder like. So mouth is present on anterior region and anus at the posterior region. Mouth is surrounded by tentacles. Alimentary canal is long and coiled. which is helps for digestion of food. Then cloaca is respiratory in functions. Cloaca is the excretory organ, and here which is helps for respiration. The larva is auricularia larva and commonly called as sea cucumbers. Example Holothuria. Next, subphylum Palmatozoa. So what is Palmatozoa? They are usually fixed, supported by stalks. Arboreal surface faces downwards. Palmatozoa in which contain stalks, arboreal surface faces downwards. The mouth and anus is present on the oral surface. The 2 feet are without suckers and food for catching. 2 feet are without suckers and helps for food catching. Oral surface is directed upwards. Arms are 5 to 10. They are simple or branch. Here contain 5 to 10 arms and helps for simple or branch. Subphylum Palmatozoa include only one living class. In subphylum, Palmatozoa includes only one living class, which is Crinoidea, and remaining 4 classes, that is Heterostelia, Cystidia, Blastodia, Erioastodia are extinct. That is no living animal found today. So in this book we will discuss only class Crinoidea for convenience. So class Crinoidea, it includes both extinct and living forms. The existing forms are without stalk and free moving, but the extinct forms are stalk. Existing forms are without stalk, means existing forms were contain without stalk and free moving, but the extinct forms are stalk, means they contain stalk. Oral surface is directed upwards. The region of oral surface is directed upwards. Body consists of an arboreal cup, that is calyx, means arboreal surface contain the calyx. Mouth and anus present on oral surface. Mouth as well as anus present on oral region. Then arms are movable, simple branch, usually 5 to 10 in number, with or without pinnules. Ambulacral grooves are open and extend along arms and pinnules to their tips. Ambulacral grooves are open and which is present on oral surface. Sexes are separate and larva is Doliolaria, commonly known as sea lilies or feather star because it looks like a feathers, means they contain calyx. Example Antedon. In next lecture we will discuss external features and digestive system of Asterias.